Welcome. This video will show you where to find and how to use the interior emergency trunk release in Tesla Model S and Model X vehicles. This feature is a critical safety mechanism designed to allow someone trapped inside the trunk to open it from the inside, even if the car's power is off. It's a simple, mechanical solution for a potentially dangerous situation. We'll cover both Model S and Model X locations, as they have slight differences. In the Tesla Model S, the interior emergency trunk release is a red, illuminated button. It's located on the underside of the trunk lid, near the latch mechanism. When the trunk is closed, look for it near the center of the lid, close to where the latch secures. It's designed to be easily accessible if someone is inside. The button is circular and approximately 2 inches in diameter with a push-to-release icon. For the Tesla Model X, the location is similar, but adapted for the larger trunk and falcon wing door design. You'll find the red button on the inner face of the rear trunk lid, also near the latch mechanism. It may be slightly recessed to prevent accidental activation. Some 2023 and newer models also include a secondary pull strap for added redundancy. Be sure to locate it in your Model X. The emergency trunk release is a purely mechanical override. This means it directly disengages the electric latch, allowing the trunk to pop open slightly, about 6 to 12 inches. This then allows manual lifting of the trunk. The mechanism is not connected to the vehicle's battery or software, so it functions even if the car has a complete power failure. This is a critical safety design. If you find yourself trapped inside the trunk, the first step is to locate and firmly press or pull the emergency release. The release requires only minimal force, typically around 5 to 10 pounds. Simply press or pull firmly on the release mechanism. Once activated, the trunk will pop open partially, creating a gap of about 6 to 12 inches. You'll then need to manually push the trunk fully open to exit. Remember, this feature is designed to work even if the car's 12-volt battery is dead, ensuring it's always available in an emergency. The emergency trunk release is designed specifically for the rear trunk. This mechanical override is located inside the rear trunk area and allows manual opening if someone becomes trapped. It's important to note that the front trunk, or frunk, does not have an interior emergency release. Due to its smaller size and design, emergency access to the frunk relies on external methods or using the vehicle's key fob. To ensure safety for everyone, it's essential to familiarize all passengers with the location and function of the emergency trunk release. Pay special attention to educating children, as they may not be aware of this important safety feature. Tesla has continually enhanced this feature. Since 2024, software updates allow the car's touchscreen to alert owners if the release mechanism might be malfunctioning. All current Model S and Model X units meet updated NHTSA standards for entrapment prevention, ensuring your vehicle is up to code. Tesla recommends testing the release annually. The interior emergency trunk release is a vital safety feature in your Tesla Model S or Model X. It serves as a critical backup to ensure you can exit the trunk space if needed. By knowing its location and how to use it, you can ensure the safety of yourself and your passengers. This mechanical override works even when the vehicle has no power. Regularly check its functionality and educate others about its importance. Test the release mechanism periodically to ensure it works properly. For the latest information, always consult your Tesla Owner's Manual and Tesla Service Center. These resources provide the most up-to-date details on safety features. Stay safe. Knowledge of your vehicle's safety features is key to preventing accidents and ensuring peace of mind.